This video will show you how to update the original and approved budgets in UniPhi for both restricted and unrestricted systems. If your system has no budget approval restrictions, you can simply create a snapshot and tick the approved or original box to update the budget. However, if your system requires someone to sign off the budget, the tick boxes will not be visible. To update the budget in a restricted system, start by creating a snapshot. Then go to the Documents module and press the New Document icon. Select the Budget Approval or Budget Change Request template from the list. This step allows you to select the snapshot you took as the version for approval and tick which budget you want to update. Continue working through the document steps. At the Finish step, mark the document as awaiting sign-off. This will notify the delegated signatory in the next round of UniPhi email notifications that a document requires their approval. Once the document is signed off, the budget will update in the Costs dashboard. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.